Hello guys, I just want to share with you how to use the new Smart SIM card when you're abroad or overseas. First, once you inserted the SIM in your phone, make sure that you have proper signal together with the R indicator. It is located at the upper right corner of your phone screen. R means roaming. Then you'll be able to receive regular SMS or welcome from Smart Telecoms. Once you receive the welcome message, dial *143# for balance inquiry. Take note to top up or reload your SIM card on or before 60 days upon activation to avoid SIM expiration. If everything's okay, proceed to SIM registration. This is mandatory before using the SIM card. You need to go to Smart website and do the SIM registration. I have existing video showing how to register your Smart SIM. I will share in the description below for your reference. There's also an instruction behind the SIM card packaging. You can use that as well. As I know, aside from the basic information, foreigners are required to submit the copy of return ticket showing the date and time of departure from the Philippines. Or if you are foreign national with other type of visa, there are some additional requirements that need to submit as well. I will share the link that you can use to get the complete detailed information regarding on this matter. SIM cards that are registered under foreign national visiting as tourists shall only be valid temporarily for 30 days and shall automatically be deactivated upon expiration of the validity of the SIM. The validity of such SIM may be extended upon presentation or submission by the said foreign national of an approved visa extension. Requests for SIM extension shall be submitted within 30 days or while the SIM is still valid. SIM card registration must successfully be completed. So now let's talk about what's inside or what are the free data when you activate your new Smart SIM card. Currently, the latest Smart SIM is LTE plus 5G. To check if your SIM is LTE or 5G ready, simply text SIM check all caps and send to 5832 for free. For the additional 30 minutes, all net calls plus 100 all net texts are applicable only when you are in Philippines. Same goes with additional gig when you download and sign up on the Giga Life app. For local usage only and cannot be used on roaming. Just to give a clear understanding, if you want to use Smart Roaming SIM in abroad, just top up or reload by going to gigaroam.smart.com.ph and you can select or choose your preferred roaming plan or just simply ask your family member in Philippines to reload your Smart mobile number. That's all for today. Hope this tutorial helped you successfully to use your new Smart SIM card. Thank you!